In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero NZ in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a new user facing teething problems or a seasoned pro needing a bit of guidance, reaching out to Xero's support team is a straightforward process. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to get the help you need. Starting off, you'll want to venture over to the Xero NZ website. This is your gateway to a multitude of resources, including contact options. The beauty of the internet makes this step as easy as typing in the website's address or simply clicking on the link provided if you're already on a digital platform where this video is hosted. Upon landing on their site, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface designed with your ease of navigation in mind. Next, your focus should shift towards locating the online support 24/7 option. This is crucial because Xero prides itself on offering round-the-clock support to its users. The world of business never sleeps, and neither does Xero's support team. Clicking this option will introduce you to the various support channels that Xero offers. Each channel is tailored to suit different types of inquiries or issues you might have, ensuring you get the most efficient help. After you've familiarized yourself with the support options, your next move should be to click on Contact Xero Support. This particular option is your ticket, no pun intended, to direct assistance from Xero's support team. It signifies Xero's commitment to addressing individual concerns through a personalized approach. This step is about narrowing down the kind of help you're after, guiding you to the most appropriate form of support. Moving forward, you'll find yourself at a stage where you're prompted to fill up a support ticket. This part is crucial and demands a bit of your time and attention. The quality of assistance you receive correlates directly to the information you provide here. Be clear, concise, and provide as much relevant detail as possible. This isn't just about outlining the problem, but also about sharing any steps you might have already taken to resolve the issue. The clearer the picture you paint, the easier it will be for the support team to help you. Finally, once you've filled out the ticket, the last step is to click on Next and proceed with submitting your ticket. This final click is like sending out a digital flare. It signals the Xero support team that you need assistance and fast. Once your ticket is submitted, all that's left is a bit of patience. Rest assured, Xero's support team is known for their timeliness and efficiency. Now, while you wait for a response, it's a great opportunity to explore Xero's extensive knowledge base or community forums. You might stumble upon immediate solutions or discover new, helpful features on the platform. Remember, Xero's ecosystem is not just about solving problems, it's also about harnessing opportunities to streamline and enhance your accounting processes. So there you have it, a straightforward pathway to contacting Xero NZ's support team, designed to get you back on track with minimal downtime. Remember, whether you're encountering a snag or just need some guidance navigating through Xero's features, the support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you 24/7. That's it for today's guide. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to reach out to Xero's support for any issues, big or small, and make the most out of your Xero experience.